Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you forgot to stop your watch and now we are like 30 minutes run says 2 hours. So in today's small tutorial, we're basically gonna go through how to edit activity time in the app called Garmin Connect, using basically what we have including your devices and phone. So let's get started. First and first, all we're gonna do is open the device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way to Garmin Connect app. Well, you can edit the start time by opening the activity since you will be seeing all of these activities after fully logging in using your email address and password. Go and tap the three dot menu on each activity. Then tap edit this activity basically, then tap the date or time field. Change it to the correct hour or minute. This shifts the entire activity in your timeline, but you cannot manually type a new total duration since no field exists. So, what actually fixes the duration? To fix the total time, you must trim the activity by opening Edit Activity, then tap Trim. Drag the left handle to the moment you actually started moving, then drag the right handle to the moment you stopped. After this, just go ahead and tap Done. Or basically save, it depends on your version. Your duration basically just recalculates automatically based on the trim GPS track. This is the only way to remove this post-run car rides or pre-run bathroom breaks. But if trim won't fix it, so if your watch recorded the wrong time entirely, like run at 8 a.m. but it logged 4 p.m., you should delete the entire activity and manually add it back as a new one, using the correct time. Your watch data is gone, but at least your timeline is accurate. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.